Theater 389, Set Design, Practice and Craft. Coming Spring 2021. Completely online and taught synchronously. Adobe Photoshop. Learn how to make a Cyclops. Put your Cyclops in Paris, France. Create painterly and realistic elevations for that hardware store you've always wanted. Learn how to storyboard productions. These are clear and effective tools used both by directors and designers. Advanced model making techniques. Create striking interiors of famous buildings and exquisite exteriors of famous parks. Homes for hobbits and ponds for fish. Design your own room in SketchUp, or one with candy cane walls, or a trade show booth for Kate Spade. For questions regarding this class and all set design classes, please email Fred Kenny at fkenny@fullerton.edu.